playing Murder Mystery 2 kasi we can't be same because there's already someone. Because, ayun, basta ganun. So, yeah. Wait, di mo itong babae, oh. Is bro in love with you?
Bro, you're so clean.
Oh.
Nangalan mo, bigyan na kayo kasi ng cup ka na. Oh, lakas na ako. Kasi cup ka, no?
Kaptat, di ba?
Uy, ano bang ginagawa niyo?
I did not set to 1v1 kasi ayoko na mag 1v1.
Oh my God.
Suspect mo yung iba.
Ano? Oh my God. Ha? May dayaw na kayo?
What the hell was that? Lima lang tayo.
Sige, walang mag-1 No mercy.
O sige. Sige.
Why is bro copycat?
House 2.
And I doing the call.
Si Rain.
Big Baklani. I freaking want this out. Bro, she's a murderer! She's a murderer! Bro, she's a murderer! Kill her, go, bro! Bro, just me, she's a murderer. Bro, just yan, serve.
Ba't parang apat na lang tayo?
Bro, 5 talaga.
Look at the chat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Like, I'm in the Roblox logo.
Diba? 5. You understand it.
Yeah, I know. I did not see Lena.
Akala ko ikaw yung pinaka-low level.
Cherry Fullet?
I think you're lying.
Ayaw mo, ah.
Oh, patingin.
Ayaw mo, ah. Ayaw mo, ah. Ayaw mo, ah. Kala mo, ah.
Pasikat yarn.
Who's the merds? Oy!
Bro. You gotta be joking me, bro. You gotta be joking. Oh, sino? Show yourself!
I think it's Lena.
Really?
It's Lena! Boom! I got the teddy bear na.
Bro, my first goal is to get ano? Skibidi.
I have teddy bears. Huh?
To get Skibidi.
I have teddy bear.
Bro, you already said that 3 times.
I have teddy bear.
I have Bob.
I have teddy bear.
I have Bob.
I have teddy bear.
I have Bob. Hala, asa pumunta yung Bob ko? Wala yung bongo. Oh. Woohoo!
Where did my chat go? Sheriff.
Ano ba yan? Wala yung pure luck, man. Pure luck, but no skills. Namakin mo.
Sabi mo?
Sabi ko, pure luck, but no skills. But not you, bro, not you. It is.
Enchanted? Ano enchanted sinasabi mo? Wala akong gun na... Ay, gun tuloy.
Yo! Si Lena, go shoot Lena, bro! Go, bro!
Why?
Go shoot Lena, bro! Kasi tatlo lang tayo. Go! Ah! Oh, easy, girl. Oh, easy, girl.
How to say chance? Wait, forget the spelling of it.
CHANCE. Birimbo. Bye, love! Woohoo! Ay, hala! I'm gonna choose Adora.
Wala akong gun. Ang sinasabi mo?
Sino pa ko ikaw murderer, no?
Wait lang, hindi ko nga nakikita.
I am murderer.
Is she giving... I don't have gun or ano.
You don't have anything? Murderer ka?
Yeah.
Nahulo ka nga, Prescott! Ano ba? Cheater ka? What? Bro, oh my gosh, bro. I really surely hit you there. Laman ka? Laman ka, tol! What, bro?
What bro?
Oh, sige, may mercy.
What?
What the frick? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Finally!
Bro! I get distracted by the ano. Pero okay lang yan.
Bro.
28 na pala ako.
Oh my god, bro. I didn't really hit. Bomb. I got alien.
I got teddy bear.
Alien.
Teddy bear.
Are you gonna say alien? I hugged him. I hugged him. Alien!
Ayawan ko na sa'yo, bro.
What the frick? Biglang na separate base tayo. Oy, Casey.
Ay! Sheep! Oh my gosh. Wait, Lina is at the bathroom.
Lina.
Outside.
Lina. Oh, big back Lina. Puro ina sa mga si Lina. I realized hindi pala pronunciation ng name ni Lina. Ano pala?
Lena.
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 Anong Lana?
She gave me some ano. Thank you, bro.
Ako nga parang isang body lang ako. That creates one body.
Well, she's my friend. Okay, she's my friend. Okay.
Ako din. Ay, hindi pala.
Gagi, bigla dumami!
Gagi ah! Dami ah!
Oh, lol! Ay, God. Murder. Ba't ganun?
I'm behind you. I'm behind you. Come here. I'm behind you. What the hell did you even do? girl. Don't kill me. Or else you're a bad girl.
Sa taas ka, no?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, stop doing that!
Oh.
Yes! You don't see me! I was there in the box.
Ang dami natin, kanina tatlo ngayon.
Paldo talaga to. Yung nag-leave si Lena, biglang dumami. Bro, let us sacrifice. Para dumami yung mga
Uy. Sino yan? Sino yan? Old Glory. Joshua.
Ito. Look at the screen, bro.
Yan?
Ang siya.
Si Venus. Uy, sana all.
Last time.
Kanina mga 5. Kanina mga 3. Ngayon, ilan na? 13 or 10?
Hindi. Pero kanina na mga mga 4. At saka biglang naging 5 na ginok lang ko na na-miscount mo. Kaso kakajoin niya lang talaga. So, biglang naging
Siya Mederel. Sige ka, siya Mederel.
3. Yan, biglang naging 2. Biglang naging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
10 lang. Where are you?
Are you blind, my boy? Watch me wall up, bro. Watch.
Guess ko, siya yung murder. Ayun na yung black na outfit na lalaki.
Kill me then.
Or neither is the Neither is the bro. I'm recording.
Yes, stopping me.
Mag-gulhap ka nga dito.
Bawal talaga din mag-gulhap, te. Are you really as blind? I'm blind ulit.
Who the hell is a murderer?
I really eat my ice cream. Oh my. I think maliit yung murder. Yung maliit yata yung murder eh. Trust your gut.
Trust your gut, pero wala kang gun. Sino?
Oh, di ba? Sabi ko na nga eh. Anong sinasabi ko? Anong sinasabi ko? That was supposed to be mine. Mali, Dad.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, frick. Stupid.
Lumalapit to! Lumalapit to! Lumalapit to! Lumalapit! Lumalapit!
Patay.
Uy, nag-split ako.
Gagi, clutch. Maybe clutch. Clutch it, bro. You can do this, bro. Clutch it. Trust your gut.
Oh, lol.
Hindi yan makita. I'm here.
You die.
This camera is there, bro. This camera is there, bro. Oh my god. Orange. My name is Apple.
No, this is ketchup. This is orange.
Boy, isa din yung dapat food kasi simple. This is tomato and this is orange. Oo na. Oo na yun. Hindi. This is strawberry. This is orange. Galing ko talaga. Kasi yung knife niya strawberry eh. At saka ito starfish na may orange. So,
Tingnan mo yung chat.
hi now. Nice. Wow. Nye.
Johnny. Okay, guys, we're gonna reveal our names. You want or no?
Okay, look. You already said it, bro.
So Johnny's real name is Vladimir.
Vladimir! And it's Jill's name is Casey, and you can call him her Kashika.
No, not Kashka.
Kashika!
No, not Kashka. Bro.
Kashika! 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 Oy! Ah! Bro, apples are orange. Apples orange.
Apples orange, guys.
Hold on. Don't kill me, bro. What the frick, bro? Kill mo muna yung mga maliliit. I fall. Amatosaurus, please don't kill me. Amatosaurus, please don't kill me. Amatosaurus, please don't kill me. Bro, jump. Ito yung malito. Ayun. Ito yung malito, Casey, jump! Casey, jump! Ito yung malito. Pumunta ka dito. Yan, hindi. Oh my God. Ah, sorry. Yan.
Ay! I'm going to the sewers.
I'm in the sewer, mga broski.
Get the gun. Sabi ko, walang 1v1, di ba? Wait, suspect mo.
Ba't mo sinabi na ang lahat yan sa spirit? Yung
Oh, lol.
You're all biggest rich between.
Pag hindi ka nagsuspect, wala kang chocolate.
Wala.
Your favorite chocolate.
I didn't have a favorite chocolate.
Dali na, ah.
I know, you're expecting me. You stupid orange.
Where's the maliit? Nawala.
Muna. Ay, no. Diba?
No, there's another maliit.
Di ko alam. Ay, it's already here, bro.
No, not that one.
Oo nga, dito na nga siya.
May isa pang maliit.
Oo nga.
Magsuspect ka kasi.
Ay, meron, dito na siya.
Suspect mo talaga. Bahala ka. Magka-camping na lang ako.
Just let around the area. Sina. Kala ko camping ka.
I'm going to the sewers. I'm going.
Zoomers daw, zoomers. Ay, may isa pa. Ay.
I already killed it. Is bro hacking?
No, of course not. Doggy, Darwin ko ito.
Timo yung run.
Ano? Wrong
She,
game na pala eh.
she knows that ano,
Ano?
she knows that I'm going to the area she was. That's why she moved to the other side.
Biolab, bro. Biolab, just me, Biolab. Bro, Biolab. Bro! Ay! Woo! we are gonna get us all killed and the murderer will win.
May cat dito.
Yes. Biolab. Hacker ka. You're choosing
Hacking, bro.
Ano? That you want. Murderer. Next one, you're gonna get innocent. No mercy na talaga. Ay, nakapunta. Luloko na dito. Bye-bye, guys! First, I want the coins. Give me the coins! Are you here? Are you here or there? Are you here or there? They doing? Ah, they're checking. Bro, follow the footprints.
I was following the footprints. I'm following the orange one.
It's orange.
Where's the others? I know there's like 2. Oh, so that was the girl that was... Ay, wait lang. Sabi na ba? Sabi na ba? Sabi na ba? Go, go. Uy! Where's the other one?
Kami, bro. I'm not trader.
If I die you or kill you, where the hell's the gun?
Ayun eh. Hindi mo pa yata kinusin yung orange.
I already killed the orange man. Wait, nasan sila? Apple at orange.
Yeah.
Who was it? Who was it?
Ito, maliit na to. Yung cherry.
Saan yan? Ay, doon. I'm going to the other side.
Sulit na talaga ako.
I'm going to the other side, bro. Keep watching the other.
He's coming here now. No.
Yung duga nito, nakikita niya! Bro is hacking.
Hindi mo nakita.
She knows where I was going.
Baka ano, yung kapatid niya, ano, kasama yung dito.
Yeah, I think it's the tiny one, Avatar. Dito tayo daw sa ano, factory.
Oo, kasi if malaki yung map, meron chance na mawawin yung sheriff.
Capybara, nag-join sa atin. Wait, is that ano? Yeah, oo nga. Yan na.
Pangit mo.
Yan na.
Uy! Uy!
Gagi.
Nag-fly!
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Inusin ka na.
Ha?
Inusin ka na.
Oo, syempre.
Uy, patingin!
Oh.
Okay. Can we eat suspicious? Giging ka talagang suspicious ah. Giging ka talagang suspicious ah. Suspicious yarn. Oh, patay. Headshot. Siliyan na pa naman yung ano. Nakita ko yun. Camper ako. Camper.
Duga mo.
Patay ako. Yari lang ako. Patay ako.
Duga nito.
Nakita kita. Kita ka na. Uy, Gagi! My ghost, bro! Bro, my ghost! Oh my gosh, no way.
Yan kasi. Yan. Ay, uy!
No!
He's speeding!
Where siya?
He's speeding like a walk.
Oh, report ka sa akin. Bahala ka dyan.
Ulo.
Walang ulol.
Hello.
Hindi dapat bulol.
Ay, may nag-ano sa'yo.
And, report ka sa akin yan. Sorry.
Pangalan niya pa naman Brookhaven.
Ay, mali.
Nag-fake dead, oh! Fake dead daw. Ang sabi mo? Pati spelling mo parang bata. Si Liana daw murderer.
Di talaga. Maybe.
May isa pang ano, Minyo. Ayun, oh.
Grabing mga maliliit na yan.
Ayun, oh, yung ano, bacon. Ayun, timo, pagka-speed niya. Ewan ko na, pag murderer yan. Talo na tayo lahat. Uy, hindi na to red or orange. Grape na to. Over daw sa liit. Sabi ng hacker. Ito sabi ng Brookhaven. Ano?
Hindi ah. Ha? Ano?
Over daw sa liit.
Sabihin mo, ni-report ko siya. Wow, waling yung dance ah. Oh,
Sinabi ko na sa kanya.
it's the ano, the maliit na may maliit na girl.
Ano naman? Hacker! Hacker!
Okay lang. Basta na-defeat yung hacker.
Hacker daw. Kaya pala alam niya na yung ano ko kasi hacker.
Ama play ano, time bomb bullets.
Okay, so guys. Ako din, pa-join ako.
Okay.